chapter 14, 12. It says, there is a way which seemeth right unto men, but the end thereof are the ways of death. So we can be thinking we're doing everything right, thinking we on a straight path to the higher power, and we're not. We're not. Continue to work in me. I give this up to you. I cried a lot because I didn't know. As a man, I'm asking myself, what is a man? Because all these distractions, there's an alpha man, there's the sigma man, there's the omega man, like all this, lone wolf, man, everything. So it's like, all right, what society's saying I need to be this, my culture's saying I need to be this, but everything around me saying I'm not that. I don't fit in that category, and I don't feel comfortable in this category. And